The Lewis Clark Humane Society is limiting access to their dogs while they handle an outbreak of kennel cough. Kennel cough is a term used to describe respiratory infections for dogs and can be caused either by a viral or bacterial infection. While kennel cough is easily treatable, it can be highly contagious in dogs and is transmitted through the air. Because of this, the Humane Society is limiting the exposure of their dogs to the public to prevent any risk of exposing more animals to the illness. Dog Program Coordinator Kat Martineau says that because of the number of stray animals brought into the shelter, dealing with illness like this is inevitable, but it's also very rare due to their cleaning standards at the shelter. If people are interested in a dog, they should still come in for a visit.
You guys can absolutely still come in. We can't show the animals since we are limiting their handling. However, our staff knows everything about these dogs. So if you have questions, we can answer them. Get the applications and still. This isn't going to be forever.
Once all the dogs finish their 10-day round of medication, they will be able to be shown to anyone interested in adopting them. The Humane Society would also like to remind people that since they are seeing cases of kennel cough in the community, it is highly recommended to consult a vet if your dog shows signs of a persistent dry cough.